Mindfulness can be achieved anywhere, at any time. It is something that we must practice throughout the day if we want to develop our ability to focus to achieve our desires. When practicing mindfulness while you are walking, this means you are fully focused on walking and not doing anything else. You become mindful and aware of every step you take. Perhaps you can even say in your head, left step, right step, left step, and so on. Or you can feel your feet touch the ground with each step. Each time you lose focus of walking mindfully, return your concentration on your steps again. When eating, be mindful of each bite you take. You can count how many times you chew before swallowing, knowing that chewing is the first step of digestion. So make sure to chew thoroughly and mindfully. Each time you lose focus, return your focus to mindfully eating. The goal of mindfulness is returning your concentration when it is pulled away from you, not constantly focusing on each bite or each step we take. The objective is noticing when your thoughts have strayed and training them to come back to the present moment. It is impossible to remain thoughtless, but you can consciously stop your thoughts at any time, doing so gently and without judgment. Let's begin our mindfulness practice by lying down, getting comfortable. Let your body relax a little and take a nice deep and full breath in, letting it go slowly. With your eyes open, gaze around the room, not looking at any one thing in particular for too long, and try not to look at the same thing twice. Allow your eyes to find a spot somewhere in front of you to fixate on. Gaze at this point and don't look anywhere else. Begin to observe how your mind might provide many reasons to look away, and maybe a distracting thought to entice you to look around instead of focus on one spot. But you are in control. By keeping your gaze still and calm, you are practicing correct mindfulness of the present moment. Notice how your eyes just naturally want to move and look around, and it takes a little effort to keep them on one point. Gaze at this point and focus for a few moments, observing your thoughts. Allow your eyes to close now and feel the relaxing sensation in your eyelids of healthy discipline and accomplishment. Now notice your thoughts right now. What kind of thoughts are coming into your mind? Good. Let's do some mindful listening. Let all of your focus go towards your hearing and let go of the need to do anything besides observe the sounds around you. Pay attention to all of the little sounds around you now. You might notice that you didn't hear some sounds before that you can hear now. Notice any hums of electric things and the sound of your breathing. Pay attention to the most obvious sounds reaching you, like the sound of my voice. Thoughts may come and grasp your attention away, and this is completely normal. Gently and proudly bring yourself back to hearing the sounds around you. No need to put labels on anything, but it's okay if you do. Just observe what you hear. Even my voice is just another sound. All sounds come and go and are only held by the moment. Now see if you can let all of the sounds come in at the same time. Let them flow into your ears like a composition. Now we are going to practice one more mindfulness technique. If you don't fully understand, no problem. But if you do, even better. Become aware of the silence beneath the sounds. It is always present underneath the sounds. It's kind of like the canvas that the artist paints on, and the paint represents the sound. The canvas is always beneath, no matter how much paint is on top. Just as the silence is always beneath the sound, no matter how loud it is. The silence is the constant, and the sound is the passing moments. Good. You learned many techniques in mindfulness today, so practice them whenever you can and feel the peace of mind gained from the power of focused concentration. Whenever you are ready, open your eyes more mindful and more present.